Next up on the chopping block is a pile of doorknobs and door locks, deadbolts, all sorts of random crap. And they're all going to get smashed to pieces because all of them are broken or faulty or whatever in some way. And they're going to be getting scrapped anyway, so might as well get a video out of it. Where to set up a camera? Starting with the first one. It's all smushed. Next up is this lock. Ew, what is that? Next up is fancier door handle. They hit me in the face there. Another one. And none of these have brands or models anywhere. I looked on all of them. These are so cheap. So is the concrete, what the hell? Yeah, I probably should get a piece of wood to break stuff on, but whatever. This one's extra cheap. Next up, a little lock. That's not gonna break, it's too dense. Look at that, that's just a piece of metal. Can't hide. Another lock. Door jam. Next. Everyone's probably left the video already because of all of these things and more of this crap. More of these stupid locks that will break. 3 more of these. Just throw them in the scrap pile. Actually, I lied, there's another one. Last one, though. I'm serious this time. Another door handle. I don't know what that is. The last door lock thing. Second to last door handle. None of these could be reused, but at least they're getting recycled. One of the 3 R's. The lock mechanism just flew out skeleton is now across the lawn. And the last one, it's another one of these fancy ones. And that's all the door handles. Thanks for watching.